Well, welcome back to our daily elementary mathematics. Today we'll be looking at getting a perfect square. How do we get a perfect square? By multiplying a number by another number to get a number that is a perfect square. For example, we have here, find the minimum number or find the least number by which each of these can be multiplied to obtain a perfect square. We can see that none of this is a perfect square now. 18 is not a perfect square because if you say square root of 18, it will give you a decimal. So what's the least number apart from 1 that you can use to multiply 18 to produce a number that will be a perfect square? That when you find its square root, it will give you a whole number. Now, what the idea behind this, what we simply do is that 18, you can break it down. You have 18, 2 in 18, that is 9. 3 can go in 9, 3. 3 can go in 3, 1. Now, if you look at this, what we do now is that you now begin to pair two same numbers together. Like this one now, pair this one. It's only these two that is remaining without a pair. That means if you produce a pair for it, it will become a perfect square, because like this one now, 3 times 3 is perfect. So this 2 does not have another 2 that will make it perfect. So if you produce another 2 now, that means 2 is the least number that we can use to multiply 18 to make it a perfect square. So the answer is 2. So for A, 18 must be multiplied by 2 to make it a perfect square. Perfect square. That is, if we say 18 times 2, we will get 36. And you know that square root of 36 is 6. Let us look at the second one. The second one is 216. Let's break it as usual. We have 216. 2 can go because this is an even number. 2 in 216. 2 in 1. 2 in 2. 1. 2 cannot go in this one. We write 0. So 2 in 16. 8. So 2 in 10. 5. In 8. 4. 54 is still even. You can still use 2. 2 in 5. 2. Remainder 1. Put that 1 in front of 4 here. You see it as 14. 2 in 14 is 7. 2 cannot go in 27 because the number ends with 7, which is an odd number. So you can try 3. 3 in 27, 9. 3 in 9, 3. 3 in 3, 1. So similarly, we begin to pair them. 2 times 2 is perfect, because it will give you 4, which is a perfect square. Then 3 times 3 is also perfect. 3 times 3 is 9, which will give you which is a perfect square. So, but this 2 needs another 2 to make it perfect, and this 3 too needs another 3 to make it perfect, because if you say 3 times 3, that's when you will get a perfect number. This 2 needs another 2 to make it perfect. That means our result now will be 2 times 3. So in this case, if you say in B, if we have B where we have 216 must be multiplied by 2 times 3 to make it a perfect square. So that means, and 2 times 3, we know that is must be multiplied by 6. So if you use 6 to multiply 216, if you say 216 multiplied by 6, You are going to get 216 times 6 will give you 1,296. 96. And as we can see, square root of 1,296, the number that multiplies itself to give 1,296. If we check out, we'll see that the number should be square root of 1, 2, that is 36. 36 times 36, we can confirm that will give us 1,296. So the last one is 27. We also break 27 down. We have 27, 3 can go in 27. That's 9 times. 3 can go in 9, 3. 3 can go in 3, 1. So this one, 3 times 3 is perfect. This 3 here needs another 3 to make it perfect. That means for C, the number we use to multiply C, 27 must be multiplied by 3 to obtain a perfect square. So the least number, the smallest number we can use to multiply 27 is 3. If you say 27 times 3, you get 81. And 81 is a perfect square because square root of 81 gives 9. So we'll quickly take this exercise. Find the least number by which 48 can be multiplied to get a perfect square. All right, thank you.